Good morning, class 7th. How are you all? In this video, I will be discussing chapter 2 function in Excel assignment questions. Okay. But before that, please like, share and subscribe so that for further videos you can be updated. And I love to announce that there are a lot of students who are actively participating in hot quiz questions, and they are giving the correct answer. Very good. I keep it up and keep answering this way only. Okay, today's video also I have added an hot question. Fine, and do share the information with your friends. Now, dear student, please take out your notebooks so that you can match the answer, because I believe you have done the question. Fine, let's begin. One more thing. Two assignments have been given for this chapter. One is attached with video 2 and the another one is attached with video 3. Right? You can go to the school website and in chapter 2, home tutorial, chapter 2 of computer, part 2 and part 3, you can get the video and the assignment link. Now the first question is, write the name of all the functions with their uses. At least 4 I have mentioned there. First one is concatenation. It is used to join two text data. What do you mean by two text data? If there is name, suppose one name is Aditi and second surname is Sharma. We want in one cell we want to write Aditi Sharma. So using concatenation function we can do that. We can join the two texts. Clear? Next one is auto sum. Doing the sum of selected numeric data. Of course, sum you will calculate in the numeric data only. Then max, calculate the maximum value, and mean, calculate the minimum value. Second question, the interface of Excel is known as worksheet. That sheet where you work, cell, columns and rows are there, that is called worksheet or spreadsheet, right? You remember now how to rename the sheet? I told you. If you forget, please see video 3, right, of this chapter. Next question. Define function in terms of Excel. What is function? A function is a predefined formula that performs the calculation in Excel. For example, sum, max, they are the function. Here I would like to explain you one term, predefined. This term, what do you mean by predefined? Inbuilt, a function which is already there in the system, that is predefined. Which tab contain function in Excel? Functions are in which tab? Formulas tab. Which option in function library contain LCM, mass and trigonometry? This is for trigonometry, because this option, mass and trigonometry, all the trigonometric functions are also there. Some of you might be thinking, what is trigonometry? It is the branch of mathematics. You will learn in class 10th, okay? Don't worry, but for the time being, you just understand कि LCM function option you will get in maths and trigonometry in the formula column you can see, okay? Now the time for hot question. Which of the following term is not related to MS Excel? Option A, document. Option B, cell. Option C, rows. Option D, workbook. Please give me the answer as soon as possible and inform your classmates also about the video class, online classes, so that they can also participate and give the answer. Do comment, and everyone please with your name, class and section tell me whether your work is complete or not, chapter 1 and chapter 2. And the rest of the question I will be explaining you in upcoming videos. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.